hair. We're gonna be testing out as seen on TV products. I did so much research on this stuff. I Googled Yahoo, Facebook, YouTube. I'm just kidding. I'm just testing out these products and I went to the store and got them. Well, this is, oh bro, not today. Hello. What is up? So right now I'm doing a as seen on TV thing. My bobber. It's pretty much when you try as seen on TV products, and there are some weird ones in here. I got a whole bunch, so we are gonna try them out. It's gonna be weird. I'm very excited because some of this stuff I'm like, I definitely need that. But before I start, definitely subscribe and will be right here and down below, and definitely turn on my post notifications. It's just that little bell thing, so definitely click it to be notified when homegirl uploads. So our post notification shout out goes to, congrats, you are awesome. Thank you for becoming a part of the notification squad. You are the best. Let's get started on the as seen on TV stuff. The first thing that we're gonna start off with is the Easy Egg Witch Microwave Egg Cooker. Not even gonna lie, I literally got this because it looked like a McDonald's Egg McMuffin, so I had to get it. So let's try it. Yeah. Good morning, guys. So right now I'm trying out the Easy Egg Witch Maker because it's morning time. I'm craving McDonald's, but I'm not gonna get McDonald's, so we're gonna do this. Guys, it comes with 2. That's cool. Okay, so it says 1, add egg, 2, microwave. Currently waiting for it to, In the meantime, I'm gonna take an English muffin for the, something just like popped in here. Do you see the egg? I'm gonna use this as the bread part, and 3 perfect results. Oh, let's see what it looks like. Oh, it worked. It doesn't look as pretty in the picture. It's like fully cooked. Okay, I think I'm just gonna use this part. A moment of truth. Only thing that I would recommend is probably putting in for like 45 seconds depending on your microwave, just because it kind of feels a little dry. It could be just the bread, but it worked. The second as seen on TV thing that we are going to try is the Emoji Crummy Mini Vacuum for life's little messes. So I got this one because it has hard eyes, and who doesn't love a vacuum that just vacuums for you? Me. Let's try this. Let's put this to the test. I think it needs some batteries, so that is so annoying. So I have the batteries in, and then you just click this button and you can kind of hear it. I'm gonna take this old palette that I got forever ago. I know, I'm wasting makeup. Please don't hate me. Let's turn this on. It worked, but since it's eyeshadow, it's obviously gonna leave like a mark. I have a Starbucks bag, and I'm just gonna put some crumbs from there. We're gonna try that. Not you working. Oh, there you go. The only thing that I would say about this is that it can only fit through this little hole. It does say on the box for life's little messes, so obviously it's just for little messes. You have to move around on top of it a lot. I don't think I would end up buying this or repurchasing this or like actually using it, but it's super cute and it worked for little messes, so, oh. Bye-bye. The next product, which was actually reduced price, it was $20. Get in those sales. We're gonna be trying the Simply Contour 2 Body Shaper. It comes with a black one and a nude one. We're gonna look extra slim thick and have a big booty and a small waist. So, who doesn't love that? Kind of makes me feel whiter in it. The next product that we're gonna be trying out is the Epi Smooth. It's supposed to remove your hair at the root. It removes your hair quickly and easily. Your face, upper lip, legs, arms, underarms, bikini line. I actually have been growing my leg hair out for you guys, so we're gonna try this out. I literally have been growing my leg hair out for like a good 3 weeks to be able to do this product because my hair grows back so slow. So we got some long leg hairs right now, and it's okay because it's winter time. I can hide them with leggings, but if it was the summertime, Kind of nervous. Okay, let's do it. So I hope you can see my hair right here. I just turned down the brightness so you guys could see my leg hair more. Yeah, you just turn it on like that, and I'm pretty sure you go up like that. Whoa, that's so fast. Whoa, ow. Ew, it smells like it's burning. Maybe it's this way? So I literally tried like every single way and it won't do anything. Like, try my arm again. Okay, actually that one worked. It like worked on like a small piece of hair on my arm, but I literally tried every direction and which way to like do it. So I'm not really sure what's going on, and every time I like go over my hair, it just like pulls at it, but it doesn't take it all the way out. So I don't know if I'm just like not using it right, or yeah, I don't know. It's not doing anything to my leg hair. The fifth product, whoa. The fifth product that we're gonna try is the 5-Minute Mani. It's a healing nail and cuticle mask. This was also like $5, and I just got my acrylics off, so we definitely need a manicure up in here because they are not looking too cute. They look pretty rough, to be honest. Let's try this. We got a before and after picture. Oh, it says dramatization. Why do they do that? Like, okay. We're just gonna do the manicure right here. Also gonna use my vlog channel camera just so you guys can see like a better view of everything. My nails and cuticles are so bad because I literally ripped off my fake nails, so that's great. Comes with so many. How to use thoroughly clean and dry hands. Let's go do that. Check.
Peel open mask and put 5-Minute Mani mask on each finger. Leave on for 5 to 15 minutes and then remove the mask from your fingers and discard. Massage remaining liquid from 5-Minute Mani mask into the fingernail area as needed.
Okay, so they look like this. Wow. Oh, my finger is like too fat to get it in all the way. My thumb is struggling. Oh, that one was for the pinky. I'm so dumb. That makes me feel a little bit better. This is kind of hard. So I'm just gonna do one hand for now, just so we can compare the two. So I'm gonna keep this on for 5 minutes, and then we'll check back and see what it looks like, and then we'll keep it on for another 10 minutes just to see the final result, because it says 5 to 15 minutes. So let's do it. Okay, 5 minutes, so we are gonna look at my nails and see what these bad boys look like. Okay, so they look like this so far, but keep in mind, my nails are so bad. We're gonna keep this on for another 10 minutes and see what they look like. It smells really good though. It's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna take these off because my fingers feel very wrinkly. I don't even know. Like when you go in the bathtub and your fingers get really wrinkly after being in there for a while, that's how they feel. Okay, so I'm gonna rub this into my nails. Okay, I see a little bit of a difference, but my nails are so messed up from having acrylics for like 3 months. It definitely gives a nice smell. It definitely did moisturize my cuticles and stuff, so I actually recommend this. It also comes with 4 packages, so you can do it 4 times. Pretty cool. The last product that we're gonna be trying out is the IdeaWorks Easy Clean Hairbrush. It removes hair instantly, so you pretty much like brush your hair and just kind of roll it off, and it's supposed to come out. I'm gonna use this for like 2 days, and then I will show you what it looks like and if it works. My hair is super crazy right now, so I actually had to use this product for like a week to get more hair on it, so here we are. This is what it looks like. How cute. So yeah, you can see a lot of my curly hair in it. I'm gonna brush my hair one last time just so you get all of it. Okay, so it says that you're just supposed to like pull this part down. This is actually really hard. Low-key a workout. So far, it's working. Wow. Oh my goodness. It worked. But this is disgusting. Wow. That was all the As Seen on TV products. Definitely comment below if you guys want me to do more of these because I had so much fun filming it. And if you guys have any products of As Seen on TV things that you guys want me to try, because I am so open to it, so just let me know down below in the comments. I had so much fun. Definitely be sure to subscribe. The link will be right here and down below, and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just that little bell thing. She cute. Definitely click it to become part of the notification squad because we the best. Yeah. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel. Hey, it's Sarai. I'm gonna be uploading a ton on there. I feel like I just twitched. Maybe I'm just, I actually just made a new intro for that vlog channel. I love it so much. It's so cute. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Oh, I can't cover the camera because it's so far away. Let's just put a transition. Peace.